In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the demo company in Xero. This demo feature is incredibly useful for exploring Xero's capabilities without affecting your actual data, especially when you're still learning or testing out new features. First, you'll want to get started by heading over to the Xero accounting software login page. Go ahead and open your web browser, type in the URL and hit enter to load the page. Once the page is up, you'll need to click on the login button, which should be prominently displayed. If you're new to Xero, you'll need to create an account first. However, for those who have an account already, this step will be straightforward. Now it's time to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your email and password handy and type them into the appropriate fields. It's important to double check that your email and password are correctly entered to avoid any login issues. Once you've done that, click on the login button. This will direct you to the main dashboard of the Xero platform. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the top right corner. Here you'll find your company name. Clicking on it will bring up a drop-down menu, and from this menu you'll want to select My Xero. This is your gateway to accessing various Xero features, including the demo company. After you've clicked on My Xero, direct your attention to the options available. You should see Try the Demo Company US right there. Click on this option to open the demo environment. The demo company is a simulation with preset data, giving you the freedom to explore Xero's functions without fear of altering any real company data. If you need to experience the setup for a different country, Xero thoughtfully includes an option called Change Country. Simply click this to explore different regions and their corresponding settings. Additionally, if at any point you need to wipe the slate clean in the demo, there's a reset option available. This is particularly useful if you've been experimenting extensively and wish to start afresh, and there you have it. Accessing the demo company in Xero is as simple as that. It's a fantastic tool for honing your skills, testing features, or just getting comfortable with the software at your own pace. Don't forget that experimenting in the demo environment is a safe way to learn without any pressure. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful as you navigate Xero.